What's up, family? Yep, it's your boy Built on a Budget back with another video. What's going on with y'all guys today? Hey, look, man, I want to do another video about my wire harness on my pickup truck. And I want to give an update to what's going on with it. First off, I want to thank Hoarder Garage. I'm going to leave that YouTuber down in the subscription, and I'm going to talk a little bit more about him before this video is over. Hoarder's Garage. He hit me up. I'm subscribed to his channel, but when he hit me up yesterday, I didn't really pay attention to who it was that hit me up. I just paid attention to what he was saying, and then he shot me a link in the comments, and when I pulled up the link, I was like, oh yeah, I watched this guy almost a year ago. And what he was doing was telling me about my LS swap wire harness. Okay. Do y'all see it? No. And that's a good thing. It's hard to see because of how I'm running it. Now, I told y'all yesterday that once you put this wire harness on, it's a little bit self-explanatory about how it go. And so I just want y'all to see how clean it is. Now, I'm debating whether to go behind or in front. Behind or in front, that dipstick. I'm going to probably go behind it and kind of pin it to the wall. I'm going to do something there. But this stuff here is markup. So just let me show you. See how them wires go where they go? See that wire right there? This is my alternator wire. It go there. Injectors. I don't have my injectors in yet because I'm rebuilding them, putting new O-rings and stuff in them. And you come over here, you got your mass airflow sensor, and I had a couple of wires that I couldn't identify, but Hoarder's Garage says that those wires is for either or. And I didn't have the or, I had the either, so they are not needed. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back in the harness, I'm going to cut them off so they won't just be there. But I needed to make sure I had what I needed before I did that. If you look down on the ground, you will see that I have O2 sensor. This goes up at the top to my crank. It's a sensor that go in the back of the block, but it fits right up on it. And my map sensor wires hanging down back there. And you see the transmission plug laying on the ground. I'm not going to hook all of that stuff up, but it's self-explanatory. But this is what I want to tell y'all. This is the update on the LS wire harness. And I want y'all to listen to me carefully because it made sense. Hoarder's Garage, he got all of the information on his website about all of these wire harnesses that goes on these motors. And this is how he explained it to me. The wire harness that I bought, and all of them that you buy, is for LS platforms. We all know that an LS engine is aluminum block engine, right? Which these engines right here are Vortex engines. Y'all didn't know that. That's a Vortec engine. Come out of a truck, Tahoe, Suburban, Silverado, Denali, whatever. Is a Vortec truck platform engine, where the LS engine is typically a car engine. And y'all know what they is. We ain't getting into all of that. Y'all know what a real LS engine is. And because that this wire harness is actually for an LS engine, there are some things that are different from a Vortec engine. And because of that, there are some pins that you got to change out at the computer. You got to take them out of one hole, put them in another. You got to move this to over there in order for it to work. And what Russ Hoarder's Garage do, he has taken these wire harnesses, these cheap eBay, Amazon wire harnesses, and he did a full pinout on them, and he has figured this thing out, and he got this information on his website. So when he hit me up, I went back to his video that he sent me today, and I repinned my pinouts and my blue plug and my red plug, and I'm good now. Now, I want y'all to see, if you can, see where that thing come through the firewall. Look at that. See how neat that is? All I got to do is come in here. I'm gonna make a plate where I can mount my PCM up. Mount this fuse block, which you got provisions where I can make a plate to mount them to where I can get to them. And my OBD2 connector. The pinouts is here for your check engine light, your speedometer, your tachometer, your neutral park switch. It's a couple of more, but that's easily accessible because they give you plenty of wire that go to them. So my suggestion is, if you were to buy one of these wire harnesses, go to his website and let him explain to you, because he walks you through it. He holds your hand all the way through the process, and he takes his time, and he makes sure that you understand what it is that you're talking about and what he's talking about. It is no mystery in this wire harness when he finished with you. No mystery at all. But in order for that wire harness to work, you got to change a couple of pinouts in the PCM. He got videos to show you how to do that. It's real simple. Hey, if you can't do that, if what he's telling you is confusing, you really don't need to be doing this work anyway, because you just don't really need to be doing it, because it is so simple. And especially when he educating you to what he's doing, if you don't understand that, then I don't understand what's going on with you. But I'm going to put his in the description, Russ Hoarder's Garage. And if you go to him, just make a notation that you is sent there by Built on the Budget, man. I mean, we networking, man. It don't cost you nothing. This man didn't have to give me all of this information that he gave me. And so I'm gonna recognize him and his channel for what he has done. He got all type of LS swap information that's broke down to elementary on his channel, that is a great source of information for you to put in your playlist, for you to save his videos, for you to subscribe to his channel and follow what he's doing, because he got a lot of stuff and he keeps it simple. Y'all think what I do is simple. He keeps this stuff simple, but he on point. But I wanted to show y'all, man. You see how clean that look? Like I said, when I put that map sensor in there and run that wire back through there and tuck it, you know, that's gonna look real nice. And once I put them injectors in and bolt this intake down, I mean, it's not gonna be a lot of the wires that you're gonna see on this. It's nothing like what I did. It's nothing like a wire harness that you clean up that's an original wire harness. And like I said, if I put this piece here behind the firewall, behind this thing here, I can kind of put it to the firewall where it'll stay, and I might even can make a cover to go over it and paint it the color of the firewall to where you won't even see it. But for a LS swap, Vortex, LS, everybody and their mama call these motors LS's. So get off your high horse. Don't go to correcting me. I know the difference. But everybody and their mama on YouTube call this a LS swap. So get with the program and quit being so uppity with your knowledge and just go with the flow. We know what we got, all right? So what I'm going to do with this engine, I want to run electric fans, and I want to do something funky with the snorkel. Maybe a double snorkel, let them come down, some kind of way. I want to do something really funky with that. I just want it to be a little bit different. So, I mean, what I wanted to do was just update y'all on this situation. And then we're going to see how that go. But go to them, check it out, and let them know Built on the Budget sent you, and we're going to keep getting this puppy on the go. All right? So to the next one, y'all guys hold it down, because I'm going to be doing some sheet metal work next week, but I just had to get this wire harness sorted out. And y'all check my boy out. To the next one, it's your boy Built saying,